Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. I'm going to show you how to share a location on your Google Maps app. So let's go. We're on Google Maps now, and you can see that we've got our map in front of us, and on the top right hand side you will see the first letter of your first name, or alternatively your profile picture. Now once you tap this, you will be able to go down and see where it says location sharing. Now once you tap on that, you'll be able to share your location. On the bottom of the page, you will see there is a new share, and once you tap on this new share, you can see right at the top we've got an actual location, and on top of that you have the share your real-time location, and you can share it for 1 hour or as long as you'd like to have it available and shared for. And then you can also select until you turn this off, until you actually decide to switch this off. And then you can now choose who you are going to share this with. So we have some suggestions. So this is between email addresses and phone numbers on variation of apps on my phone. And then if you tap on more, you get a bunch more people and contacts, right? So thereafter, underneath that, you have a list of the apps that you can actually share on your device. So you go through here, you can share it on any one of these, and then as a very last option, you can tap on the copy to, and here you can share the link. It says anyone with this link will be able to see your name, your photo, and your real-time location, and you can then just go ahead and tap on share. So you need to now grant access to locations on your maps, and you can do that by going into settings, and here we can just say allow only while using the app, and we're going to go ahead and just go back, and now you'll be able to set your location and share it to anybody that you would like on any platform. If this was helpful, drop us a like. We will see you next time. Cheers.